Let's learn colors with Koko. Today's color is blue. Koko needed to wash her clothes. She just had no idea how she would do all of this laundry. She had an idea. She thought, why don't I just wash my blue clothes? So she began to sort them. Blue shorts, a blue hat, a blue sweatshirt, a blue skirt, a blue shirt, and finally her favorite blue PJs. While the washing machine washed her clothes, she took a nap on her blue dog bed. Then she hung her clothes to dry, her blue skirt, her blue sweatshirt, her blue shorts, her blue hat, her blue shirt, and her favorite blue PJs to let them dry in the breeze. Finally, she folded them neatly to put them away in her closet. Koko had lots of fun washing all of her blue clothes on laundry day. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon and don't forget to subscribe.